Most people don't realize that Reddit hides some content by default. If you're trying to explore all communities or see NSFW content, you might be missing out. Here's the step-by-step guide to changing your NSFW settings on the Reddit app. First, open the Reddit app and log into your account. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner to access your account settings. Next, scroll down and select Settings. Within Settings, find the Feed Settings or Content Settings section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Adult Content or NSFW. By default, this is usually disabled to hide sensitive content. To enable NSFW content, toggle the switch on. You may see a warning about mature content. This is just Reddit reminding you that the content may be graphic or explicit. Confirm your choice, and your feed will now include NSFW posts from communities that allow them. Most people get this wrong by thinking changing subreddit subscriptions automatically shows NSFW content. Subscribing is not enough. You must enable the NSFW toggle in your settings to actually view adult content. Another tip, if you are using multiple devices, make sure you adjust the setting on each one. Reddit's app settings do not always sync across devices automatically. Finally, remember that NSFW content can be sensitive. Only enable it if you are comfortable with adult material. You can always toggle it off later if you want a cleaner feed. In conclusion, enabling NSFW content is easy once you know where to look. Go to Settings, Feed or Content Settings, toggle Adult Content, and you're done. This simple step ensures you see the full spectrum of Reddit communities. Subscribe for more Reddit tips and app guides to get the most out of your account.